Welcome back on the news track. There's been a big twist in the Sushant Singh Rajput suicide case. The Bihar police has filed an FIR against Sushant's girlfriend Riya Chakrabarti. Riya has been booked under sections of the Indian Penal Code. The FIR has been filed on the basis of Sushant's father's complaint. Riya has been booked for abetment to suicide, cheating, theft and breach of trust. Riya has been also accused of betraying Sushant, grabbing 17 crores from him and ensuring that Sushant cuts everything off from his family. A team of the Bihar police has been sent to Mumbai to investigate the matter further and get new documents and the case diary. As per Sushant's father, Riya Chakrabarti also threatened to make Sushant's medical reports public and to declare that the actor was mentally ill. His father has also accused Riya of taking away cash, jewelry and credit cards. He also claimed that Riya took away documents relating to Sushant's medical treatment.
Chirag Paswan has now spoken with Maharashtra CM asking for an independent probe, a CBI probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's death. I am joined by Chirag Paswan. Chirag, I would like to start by asking you what prompted you to make that phone call?
Well, this was my second phone call to the Honorable Chief Minister Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray ji. Even at the beginning of the whole matter, immediate after Sushant Singh Rajput ji's death, I had a conversation with him. And that time also I was concerned that an honest investigation and a thorough investigation should take place. But of late, there's a huge pressure from the people of Bihar, and especially the youngsters and also the people from my party, that there should be a CBI investigation in this case. And I called him for the same. I requested him that he should hand over the case to CBI. Though he was very confident, and that's very true also, that's very honest also on his behalf, because he heads that department in that state. So yes, he was very confident about Maharashtra police, about Mumbai police, and he said thorough investigation is already taking place and we are investigating each and everyone, right from the top shots to everyone who's been named or accused in this case.
आप लोग को अब भी लगता है कि सुशांत सिंह की जो ये मामला है वो आत्महत्या नहीं है, इसमें कोई साजिश हो सकती है, कॉन्स्पिरेसी है, हत्या हो सकती है?
अब हत्या तो नहीं है, ये तो हत्या ही हुई है। ये सुशांत सुसाइड नहीं कर सकता है, इस बात की हम लोगों को पूरा भरोसा है। अब जिस परिस्थिति में भी जिसने भी किया हो, बस उसे सजा मिले, हम लोगों को यही न्याय चाहिए, बस यही हम लोग चाहते हैं। हम लोग सरकार से यही मांग करते हैं, बस। कुछ
बातें आई हैं कि रिया चक्रवर्ती उनके परिवार वालों के खिलाफ FIR
जो भी हो उसका जिसका भी कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो उसको सजा मिले, बस यही हम लोग चाह रहे हैं।
आपको लगता है कि रिया और उसके परिवार वालों की इसमें कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो सकती है, उकसाया था उस सुशांत को?
जो भी हो वो मामला तो पुलिस निकाल ही लेगी। हम लोगों को जो शक है हम लोगों ने FIR में कर दिया। बाकी
तो आप लोगों को लगता है कि इससे फेयर जो प्रोब होता है, अच्छे इस वक्त जांच हो पाएगा सही तरीके से जो आप लोगों ने FIR किया है उसमें?
हाँ, होगा। हम लोग को तो भरोसा है, न्याय मिलेगा, बस।
These are sensational charges being leveled by Sushant's father. They also come 40 plus days after Sushant committed suicide. What should one make of this? Joining us for perspective and for the latest reportage, our Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi. Divyesh Singh is at the residence of Riya Chakrabarti. We've got Sujit Jha, Aaj Tak's Bureau Chief in Bihar. And I want to go across to Sujit first because Sujit, 40 दिन पहले सुसाइड होता है, अब तक पिता की तरफ से इस तरह की कोई बात नहीं होती, सुशांत की फैमिली की तरफ से इस तरह की कोई बात नहीं होती। अब ये बाहर आके कहा जा रहा है कि रिया चक्रवर्ती ने फैमिली से रिश्ते काटने की कोशिश की, सारे मेडिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स हटा दिए और ये थ्रेटन कर रही थी कि मेंटल इलनेस के बारे में पब्लिकली बता देगी। तो ये सडनली 40 दिन के बाद इस FIR की बैक स्टोरी क्या है? सुजीत?
देखिए राहुल जी, सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि सुशांत के जो परिवार के लोग हैं वो जो है वो प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे, वो देख रहे थे कि मुंबई पुलिस किस प्रकार से जांच कर रही है और उसके जांच में क्या निकल के आ रहा है। हमारी बातचीत उसके सुशांत के चचेरे भाई से भी हुई, नीरज सिंह से। उन्होंने भी कहा कि हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं और पिता और तमाम लोग जो उनके सगे संबंधी हैं वो भी इस बात का इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि मुंबई पुलिस की जांच में क्या निकल के आता है। लेकिन मुंबई पुलिस जिस प्रकार से सबसे पूछताछ करते रही, 40 लोगों से पूछताछ किया, लेकिन उसका आउटकम कुछ भी नहीं निकला, उसका रिजल्ट कुछ निकल नहीं रहा था। तो ऐसे में परिवार को लगा कि न्याय के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए, और ये बात भी सही है कि ये सारी जानकारी परिवार के पास थी और परिवार ने इसको एक एफआईआर के तौर पर, चूंकि मुंबई पुलिस इस केस को बंद करने वाली थी और ऐसा लग रहा था, वेसरा का भी रिपोर्ट आ गया था कि उसमें कोई, उनके वेसरा में कोई विष नहीं था, कोई जहर नहीं था, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि आत्महत्या साबित करके मुंबई पुलिस इस केस को बंद कर देगी। ऐसे में
this is going to be, Sahil, very difficult to prove. How do you establish abetment to suicide? I don't track Bollywood as closely, but but from what we've gathered so far, it seemed that Riya and Sushant had broken up. Now, if they've broken up just before his suicide, what's the Mumbai police making of this case, the timing of this case, and what do they intend to do from here?
Absolutely. In fact, it's pretty interesting that the whole month, what Mumbai police has told us, that they were trying to contact the the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. The initial statements were taken from Sushant Singh Rajput's family. His sister, who was staying in Mumbai, was already spoken to. They also asked his father that if he has to make any kind of a statement, because normally in the cases like abetting suicide, normally the immediate relatives make that kind of a charge, or someone goes to the police and files a complaint that they believe that so and so has committed suicide, and the reasons behind it might be so many things, and that's how the police actually starts the investigation. But in this case, the police kind of started the suo moto investigation in an accidental death case, because it's an ADR case, it's a suicide case. They were investigating the nepotism angle, they were investigating the professional angle, if the projects which were not given to Sushant Singh Rajput might be the reason behind it, because the family did not mention any of this, neither Riya Chakravarti's possible role, as the family now has alleged to the Patna police. So they were investigating on that line. They had also taken statement from Riya Chakravarti, in which she had spoken about his illness, his depression, and various other aspects.
So let me put that question to Divesh Singh, because he's at Riya Chakravarti's residence, and it is Riya who went on Instagram to ask Home Minister Amit Shah to order a CBI probe. Now, she is being charged by Sushant's family of having abetted the suicide. Have we heard at all from Riya herself or from people around her? What does she or those who know her make of these very serious charges? Divesh.
No, Rahul, there hasn't been any statement from Riya. Yes, Riya had appealed to Honorable Home Minister that a CBI probe be initiated in Sushant's death. Probe should be carried out by the Apex agency so that investigation brings to light of what drove the late actor to death. But this had never come out. The allegations made by Sushant's father in his FIR to Patna police, in his complaint to Patna police, the allegations that he had made, those had never come out in the probe that was being carried out by Mumbai police, nor the family members. When we spoke to Mumbai police also, they have revealed that none of the family members have made any such allegations. The father's statement was recorded, though they were disturbed at that time when Sushant died. After that, they had to carry out last rites. They were disturbed at that time, but they hadn't recorded their statements. Meetu Singh, the sister of Sushant, was being called again and again. She was in Mumbai, then she went to Lonavala, where Sushant had a rented farmhouse, and presently she was in Gurgaon. We spoke to the investigating team yesterday when they told us that Sushant's sister is presently in Gurgaon, and because she is unwell, she cannot travel to Mumbai. We are waiting for her to come and record her detailed statement so that we could know if the family has any complaints to make, any allegations to make.
So we'll leave it there. Divesh, Sujit and Sahil, thank you for joining us. This is a whole explosive new twist to this case, which will now acquire a new life of its own. Our teams will track this closely. We're slipping into a break. This is where I wrap up.